Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. If k is an integer constant greater than 1, which of the following values of x satisfies the inequality x over 3 positive 1 greater than or equal to k? Okay, now let me take this inequality as it is and solve for x. Let me write the inequality over here, x over 3 positive 1 greater than or equal to k. Okay, now to solve for x in this inequality, I have to get rid of the values around the variable x on the left side. Okay, first let me get rid of this positive one. For that, let me subtract 1 from both sides. Then positive and negative 1 will cancel out. I am getting x over 3 greater than or equal to k negative 1. Okay, now to get rid of the denominator 3 over here, I have to multiply both sides of this inequality by 3. Then I am getting 3 times x over 3 on the left side and 3 times k negative 1 on the right side. So 3 will cancel out. I'm getting x greater than or equal to. Now I can distribute this 3 to k and negative 1. When I do so, I'm getting 3k negative 3. Okay, now I have solved for x in terms of k in the given inequality. Okay, now let me consider the information we have over here. K is an integer constant greater than 1. So k is an integer and also it has to be greater than 1. So now let's consider a random value for k, so which satisfies the condition given in the question. That is, it has to be an integer and also it has to be greater than 1. So we can take 2 as a value of k. So 2 is an integer and also it is greater than 1. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to plug in k equals to 2 into the result of the given inequality over here. So then I'm getting x greater than or equal to 3 times 2 negative 3. Then x greater than or equal to 3 times 2 is 6 negative 3. Then x is greater than or equal to 3. So when I take a random value for k, which is a integer constant greater than 1, I am getting x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, now let's plug in the same value 2 for k into the answer choices over here. When I plug in k equals to 2 in answer choice A, it will be 2 negative 3. 2 negative 3 is negative 1. When I plug in k equals to 2 over here, I am getting 2. And when I plug in k equals to 2 over here in answer choice B, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 negative 4 is 2. And when I plug in k equals to 2 over here in answer choice D, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 negative 2 is 4. Actually, the question says which of the following values of x satisfies the inequality. So that is, we have values for x in the given answer choices. And we have to find the one which satisfies this inequality. And already we have simplified this inequality and got the result x is greater than or equal to 3. So here in answer choice A, the value of x is negative 1. So now we have to check whether this value of x, that is when x equals to negative 1, satisfies the given inequality. I mean the result of the given inequality, x greater than or equal to 3. So when I plug in x equals to negative 1 over here, I am getting negative 1 greater than or equals to 3. Actually, it is not false because negative 1, any negative value can never be greater than a positive value. So the value we get for x in answer choice A does not satisfy the given inequality. So we can reject answer choice A. Okay, now let's go to answer choice B. In answer choice B, so the value of x we have over here is 2. Now we have to check whether this value of x satisfies the given inequality. That is, satisfies this x greater than or equal to 3. So when I plug in x equals to 2 over here, 2 greater than or equal to 3 is false. So the value we have for x in answer choice B also does not satisfy the given inequality. And also here in answer choice C also we have the same value too. So this one will not satisfy the given inequality. We can reject answer choice C as well. Okay, now let's go to answer choice D. We have x equals to 4. I mean the value of x in answer choice D is 4. So this 4 satisfies the inequality we have over here. That is x greater than or equal to 3. That is when I plug in x equals to 4 over here, I'm getting 4 greater than or equals to 3. This is true. So the value we have for x in answer choice D satisfies the given inequality. So the correct answer choice for this question is D, 3k negative 2.